All right, welcome back to Maintainer's Garage. I'm Bags. This is still my wife's new to her SLK 350. We're going to go ahead and change the air filter in it. We just changed the left-hand cornering light, and yes, I'm shooting these videos all in the same day and then releasing staggered. Yes, I know. Content creation. See, that's smart, I think. Anyway, so why am I changing the air filters? There's nothing wrong with this one. There's no error message or anything like that. It's just my wife just got it. It's 2013. It's got like 60,000 miles in it. I don't know when the last time it was changed. I'm going to go ahead and change it, start a new baseline. So I'm going to go ahead and change the oil, start a new baseline. All this stuff just needs to be done. And, you know, whether it's 2,000 miles early or 1,000 miles overdue, doesn't matter to me. I'm doing it. That way I have a record of it and I know when it's done and I can say, okay, it was done on this date. So that's why we're doing the air filter. Then we're going to do the oil. That will be a separate video after this one. So no worries. Where is the air filter at? It's right here. And they were looking nice enough to put some Torx tips right there. They're T25s. Got my new air filter right here. Thanks FCP Euro. And we'll just get our T25 and undo this. I don't know why they made these Torx, and I don't know why they put this one here to be in the way of that when they could have just put it there and it'd have been fine, but I digress. Just as you take these out, make sure you don't drop them anywhere, and they don't even have to come all the way out apparently, and because they'll come out of this plastic and stay in this second piece of plastic. So after my wife, interrupted me, so we got the second one out, just got to take this third one out. And again, they stuck this little air box right here. Love you, pumpkin. Right there, but you can still get on this squarely. Just pay attention to what you're doing. Go slow, and you won't strip the fastener out. Yeah, they absolutely could have put that somewhere else, but I digress. All right. Now, you've got these little plastic things. You just heard one of them click. You get a little flathead screwdriver. Pry up on them gently, and that will separate. So that way when you pull this out, that'll separate that and make this easier to change. Let's lift that up. So this has a little flint lip right there. Lift up on that, slide that out. Maybe shove that back in and pull this whole assembly out. Yeah, that's exactly what you do. That's what you do. I've never done this before. We're winging it. I'm showing you how to do it while I wing it, because that's how we all learn. All right. Clearly that's been a while. All right, so there's some little circles there, some little circles there. Put this in, line it up, make sure it gets all the way seated in here. We got those two little arms down there. They go in there. All right, we're ready to put this on. Just make sure those are separated so that way this will slide into that. Just kind of put it down in here and slide it on. It'll snap in. Get this back in. Nope, no, come on. Fold the little accordion up in there. There we go. Snap all that back together. Make sure all your screws line up before you start putting this all the way back together. Yep, that one lines up, that one lines up, that one lines up. All right, and then just a little bit of righty-tighty action. Just go slow, make sure you got a good firm constant pressure on it. It won't strip out, it will be fine. And these are metal screws going into plastic, so snug's all you need. If you go too tight, you'll strip them out. Snug this one down, and that's snug. We'll check that one again, that's snug. One more time for this one, and that's snug. And that's changing your air filter on a 2013 SLK 350. Jam up. Pretty easy stuff, no big deal. As always, I appreciate you. Thanks for watching Maintainer's Garage. Have a great day.